Hey guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another topic of aptitude today, which is boats and streams. Before moving on to the topic of boats and stream, let me tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. So the list that you can see on screen is the list of topics of aptitude which we have covered. You can visit our channel and see all the videos of all the topics. These are the important topics which you can face in any aptitude exam. Plus, in each last part of the topic for video, there is a practice sheet for you guys. You can solve that sheet and see if you have any queries in any video. You can always let us know in the comment section. Today's topic is boats and streams, so we will move on to the topic. These are some basics and concept of boats and stream, but before this, let us solve the homework problem which was given in pipes and cistern part 2, and after that we'll see the basics. How long will it take to empty the tank if both the inlet pipe A and outlet pipe B are opened simultaneously? So first is A can fill the tank in 16 minutes and B can fill the full tank in 8 minutes. We have 4 options. So if A's 1 minute filling work is 1 by 16, according to the second it will be 1 by 8 for B. Now we can calculate the work by subtracting 1 by 8 from 1 by 16 and we get it as 1 by 16. The tank will be emptied in 16 minutes. That means we just calculated the answer with both the statements first and second. Now we will see the questions. So first alone sufficient while second alone not sufficient. Well, no, we needed both to calculate the answer. Similarly, second is wrong and third also, fourth also. So the correct answer is E. That is both first and second are necessary for calculating the answer. So we will go with basics first and after that we will move on to the questions. So downstream and upstream. In water, the direction along the stream is called downstream and the direction against the stream is called upstream. So if the speed of the boat is still water is u km/h and the speed upstream is v. Speed downstream would be u plus v and stream upstream would be u minus v km/h. So you can see these are the formulas. If the speed downstream is a km/h and the speed upstream is b, then speed in still water would be 1 by 2a plus b km/h and rate of stream would be a 1 by 2a minus b. Now you can see this is the only concept for boats and streams. Now we will move on to some of the questions for getting more clear with the concept. A boat can travel with a speed of 13 km/h in still water. If the speed of the stream is 4 km/h, find the time taken by the boat to go 68 km downstream. Okay, so we can calculate the speed downstream as adding both the speeds. We get it as 17 km/h. Now time taken to travel 68 km downstream would be 16 by 17 hours, that is 4 hours, which is your answer, option C. A man's speed with the current is 15 km/h and the speed of the current is 2.5 km/h. So the man's speed against the current. We can calculate man's rate in still water as subtracting both the speed given. We can get it as 12.5 km/h. Now man's rate against the current, 12.5 subtracted by 2.5, which is 10 km/h, option C. A boat running upstream take 8 hours 48 minutes to cover a certain distance, while it takes 4 hours to cover the same distance downstream. What is the ratio between the speed of the boat and the speed of water current respectively? Okay, so we'll consider that man's rate upstream be x and downstream be y. So distance covered upstream in 8 hours and 48 minutes is equal to the distance covered by downstream in 4 hours. We can write it as x into 845. We just wrote 8 hours 48 minutes into fraction, as in we wrote this whole thing in hour, and this concept was explained before. I hope you know how to convert hour and minute into hour. So equals to y into 4. 44 by 5x equals to 4y. You get it as y equals to 11 by 5x, and the required ratio would be y plus x by 2 to the ratio y minus x by 2. You can easily put the value of y, which is 11 by 5. Once you solve this, you get it as 8 by 5 ratio 3 by 5, and the answer is 8 ratio 3. And that's all for board and streams part first. The problem provided on screen is a homework problem for you guys. Make sure you leave the answer in the comment section. Also, if you have any queries in any videos, you can always talk about that in the comment section as well. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.